Hello again, my name is Ty. I'm a tarot and oracle reader, and today I wanted to do an unboxing of an oracle deck that I just received. This is the Crystal Wisdom Healing Oracle. It's by Judy Hall. The reason that I've gone ahead and got this one is because, number one, I recently, a couple of months ago, acquired a book by the same author. That's the Crystal Bible, and that's a really comprehensive guide to all different crystals. And I've been finding that really helpful. And then secondly to that is that recently I have had some clients in my tarot and oracle readings who have had questions relating to crystals. And so as a sort of beginner in terms of knowledge of different crystals, I thought this would be really good for using in readings, and then also really good as like a study tool and a way for me to help to learn some of this stuff. So we're gonna unbox it. You can see I haven't even broken the plastic on this one yet, so we'll get into it. On the box, you've got that nice silver finish all along the edges. It feels really considerable quality. It's pretty solid. What's the back got for us? You got some examples of the cards. So it's got 50 cards in there. Wonderful. Let's open it up. Got this nice little pull ribbon, which we always appreciate. Loop. All right. So within this half of the box, we've got our book first. Let's see. Got some information on the author and on the photographer. So all of these images are by the same photographer, I guess. That's really good to know. Let's see. All right. Some discussion about crystal vibrations and levels of crystal power. Some good background reading. Healing vibrations. Oh, good, and it's corresponding to which different organs and systems of the body. That'll be helpful for reference, I think. Chakras. Using the cards on the body. So that's interesting, is that these cards are designed for use sort of similarly to how you might use crystals. Give my dog in the background there, I'm very sorry. So you can lay the cards on or around your body or your home or the environment in specific patterns or lattices. So this has some introductory sort of information about that, ways of arranging them, discussion on EMFs, some really interesting background stuff in there that I'm going to take quite a while to read through it later on, I think. Attuning to crystal wisdom, consulting the oracle. Here we go. So some discussion about they don't have an upright or reverse meaning in this deck. Shuffling the deck. How to ask a good question, interpreting, some suggested spreads there. It's actually really comprehensive. That's like a good 50-something pages of information, background. So far I can see this is going to be a really helpful learning tool. All right. The multi-dimensional suites. earthy. Okay, so this is showing then the meanings of all the different cards. For self-understanding, divination, healing, insight, and then what frequency, chakra, timing, soul path, like a lot of different correspondences for every card. Looks like it's divided them into different suits. You've got one that's healing, cosmic, integration, interactive, some little glossary and index. That's going to be really useful. I want to see these cards. Let's get into that. Take off the paper. So not only are the backs silver, it's got this kind of like silver gradient across that you can see, but also along the edges, it's gilded in that sort of silver gilding, I guess. I don't know if you still call something gilding when it's silver and not gold, but there it is. It's shiny. I like it. All right. See if I can evade that light one moment. All right. 1, black tourmaline. 2, flint. Mookaite jasper. Oh, it's a lovely photo. Gorgeous. A little reflection down the bottom there and everything. Chrysocolla, malachite, nice, bumblebee jasper, carnelian, fairly good good weight to each of these. They're not sticking to each other or anything like that in terms of the card stock. I can see this being of pretty good quality. Garnet, tiger's eye, blue lace agate, bloodstone, quantum quattro, lapis lazuli, peridot, rose quartz, aquamarine, amethyst. I love the way that as you fan these, you get these like the jewel tone borders across them. A lot of what I'm noticing with this deck is these are things that I do sometimes to my own decks. So I often will gild the edge of a deck by making it, you know, metallic, using a metallic marker or anything like that, already done. And I also sometimes do a colored border, like I've shown an example on here before with my tattoo tarot and things like that, because that helps to differentiate suits. Here again, already done. So I really like the design of this. I like the colors. I like the way it's gonna be, I think, easily identifiable. Citrine, apatite, labradorite, selenite, trigonic quartz. Forgive my pronunciation on any of these. Auralite, Anandalite, Zestalite, Golden Healer, I don't think I've seen that one before, Smoky Quartz Celestial, Nirvana Quartz, Azurite, Polychrome Jasper, Shiva Lingam, Pacelli Bluestone, Moldavite, Soulmate, Pink Granite, Lavender Aragonite, Brandenburg Amethyst, Turquoise, lovely, Menelite, Halite, Kambaba Jasper, very dark one, Rhodosite, Purpurite, Rhodochrosite, Herkimer Diamond, Ancestralite, Eye of the Storm, Graphic Smoky Quartz, and Charoite? Charoite? That's 50 cards. So I think they're going to be really, really useful to go through. I am tempted to have a quick shuffle now. So let's see what we can do. I'm not a riffle shuffler. These old hands are not what they used to be. But yeah, they shuffle very nicely. It's very smooth, very easy to fan. And they're nice and not at all sticky. They don't stick together in little blocks or anything like that. Just nice and easy to shuffle. Nice and easy to draw. And yes, I can definitely see how these are going to be useful to pair with other cards, other oracle cards, other tarot cards. So I hope you've enjoyed looking through that one. I know that I like to watch an unboxing of an oracle deck when I'm planning on getting it, just to see if I like the different cards. Maybe in this one you were wanting to see if a particular crystal was included. So I hope this has answered that question. And if you'd ever like to book a reading with me, all of my contact details are going to be in the description below. Thanks for joining me again today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.